In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these, your very own in case of emergency 10mm socket display case. If, like me, you missed out on these that were sold over the Christmas period, I thought, why not just make my own? Far more satisfying, far more original. So all you're going to need to make your display case for your 10mm socket is a suitable case. You can use anything. I mean, if you really wanted the challenge, you could get yourself a money box like this that's completely solid. You could change the colour of it. You can cut out the front face and then use a piece of perspex that's 1mm thick, cut it to a circle, put your own vinyl lettering on. But as it happens, this was on Amazon from China, super cheap. I'll put up a link on the video to what I bought, and it's like, why reinvent the wheel basically. So you need your case, which you've got there, which arrived broken, so I need to fix it. You need your trusty 10mm socket. Mine's from a Halford set that I've had forever. And you need something to hold the socket in place. So for me, I just bought a turtle wax polishing pad. That seemed to be the perfect thing for me. It doesn't need cutting down or anything. Such a simple job to do this. So what I will do is I will just get on with mounting the 10mm socket into this foam, show you how to do that, and then put it all together and mount it on the wall, and we are done.